Imagine a world where machines can think, learn, and even make decisions like humans. It may sound like science fiction, but the idea of artificial intelligence, AI, has been around for centuries, long before computers were invented. People have always dreamed of creating thinking machines. From ancient times, we've built mechanical devices to solve problems, automate tasks, and make life easier. Over time, scientists and engineers developed more advanced machines, leading to the birth of modern AI. Then came a major breakthrough. OpenAI introduced the first version of GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer. This wasn't just another computer program. It was a machine that could understand and generate human-like text. It could write, answer questions, and even have conversations, bringing us one step closer to the dream of true AI. But how did we get here? How did AI evolve from simple mechanical devices to powerful systems that shape our world today? Let's take a journey through the fascinating history of artificial intelligence. Before AI became a real science, it was just a fantasy. Ancient civilizations dreamed of intelligent machines, like Talos, the bronze automaton from Greek mythology, or the golem from Jewish folklore. These early legends showed our deep desire to bring life to the lifeless. Fast forward to the 20th century, and AI was no longer just a myth. It was becoming a serious field of study. Mathematicians and engineers started building the foundation for what we now call artificial intelligence. In 1950, Alan Turing, one of the greatest minds in computing, posed a question that would challenge the very nature of intelligence. Can machines think? To explore this, he introduced the Turing test, a groundbreaking experiment designed to determine whether a machine could imitate human intelligence well enough to fool a person. This idea laid the foundation for modern AI, sparking curiosity and debate that continue to this day. Just a few years later, in 1956, artificial intelligence was officially recognized as a distinct field of study. A group of visionary scientists, led by John McCarthy, gathered at the Dartmouth Conference, where they coined the term artificial intelligence and set the stage for future research. This period saw the birth of some of the earliest AI programs, like Logic Theorist and General Problem Solver, which were designed to mimic human reasoning, at least in a basic form. Though these programs were limited, they proved that machines could follow logical steps to solve problems, marking the beginning of AI as a serious scientific pursuit. These early breakthroughs fueled excitement about AI's potential, inspiring researchers to push the boundaries of what machines could do. The journey had begun, and the world was on the brink of a technological revolution. In AI's early days, excitement was through the roof. Scientists were convinced that truly intelligent machines were just around the corner, maybe just a few decades away. Governments and institutions eagerly invested millions, hoping to turn this dream into reality. But there was a problem. Technology wasn't ready. Computers lacked the power to handle complex tasks, and AI programs struggled with anything beyond basic reasoning. By the 1970s, optimism faded. With little tangible progress, funding dried up, and AI research came to a standstill. This period became known as the AI winter, a time when enthusiasm turned into skepticism, and many believed AI was a failed experiment. For a while, it seemed like the dream of artificial intelligence was dead. But behind the scenes, the story wasn't over. In research labs and academic circles, new ideas were quietly taking shape, ideas that would one day bring AI back to life in ways no one could have imagined. The 1990s marked a turning point for AI. With faster computers and improved algorithms, the excitement that had once faded began to return. Researchers were making real progress, and then came a historic moment, 1997. That year, IBM's Deep Blue shocked the world by defeating reigning chess champion Garry Kasparov. For the first time, an AI had outsmarted a human grandmaster, proving that machines could match and even surpass human intelligence in certain tasks. It was a defining moment that reignited global interest in AI. Then came the 2000s, and AI started moving from research labs into everyday life. Tech giants like Google, Amazon, and Facebook began using AI-powered algorithms for search results, recommendations, and targeted ads. These innovations laid the groundwork for the intelligent systems we rely on today. From virtual assistants to personalized content, AI was no longer just a futuristic concept. It was becoming an invisible but essential part of our daily lives. The 2010s were a game changer for AI. With the rise of deep learning, machines became smarter than ever before. A major breakthrough came in 2012 when Geoffrey Hinton and his team revolutionized neural networks, unlocking new possibilities in speech recognition, image processing, and natural language understanding. Suddenly, AI wasn't just improving, it was leaping forward. Then came the era of AI assistants. Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant made AI a part of daily life, helping people set reminders, answer questions, and even control smart homes. AI was no longer just an experiment. It was transforming entire industries, from healthcare to self-driving cars. And then, in 2016, AI shocked the world again. Google's AlphaGo defeated the world champion in Go, a game vastly more complex than chess. Unlike earlier AI, which relied on brute force calculations, AlphaGo demonstrated strategy, intuition, and creativity, skills once thought to be uniquely human. This was the moment AI stopped just mimicking intelligence and started mastering it. AI is evolving faster than ever. Generative AI like OpenAI's GPT models can now write stories, create art, and even compose music, things once thought to be purely human skills. From medicine and finance to space exploration, AI is reshaping industries, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. But with great power comes great responsibility. As AI becomes more advanced, new challenges emerge: bias in algorithms, job automation, and the risks of super-intelligent systems. The question isn't just how far AI can go, but how we choose to use it. The future of AI isn't just about technology, it's about the impact it will have on all of us.